turning out to be a really long video. First things first, I'm gonna take off that ugly bumper it has on the back. So I think I'm gonna hit it with some PB Blaster. Let's see, so I'm gonna take this off. Eventually I do want to get a chrome bumper. Let's see what we gotta do to take it out. Oh yeah, so it's got some bolts right here. I'll just get a socket. Blast. Yeah. Oh, it's got a 12-point socket here. And then it's got a shit ton of wiring. Alright guys, so it looks like it has to take this bumper off. We're gonna take this bolt off, and then so I'm gonna soak them with PB Blaster and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I have a can of PB Blaster. I'm gonna go ahead and hit these nuts. That's what she said. With some PB Blaster, and then we'll go from there. This truck is all standard sizes for the hardware. I've got a 3/4 inch socket spray. Some here. Take my socket off. Take these out. These are fucking cut. These are fucking cut. These are just go. Washer. Right here. It's kind of weird because I had a 12 socket. So that's off, guys. Go ahead and take this one. Let's go up from this way. Alright guys, the number should come out.